Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be fairly short and quick, just talking about a new app on the Apple Store. It came out around 2020 December, I believe. So it's not been out for long, and basically what it is, it's a decentralized crypto mining kind of app, which you can download on your phone. It doesn't require a super strong phone or a super strong computer or anything. You just need an Android or a Apple phone to download this on. So basically, what it's about is you download the app. You have to put a code in, which I'm going to supply you guys with, it's a referral only application, which means the only way you can actually get your account validated onto the network is to be referred with a code, which I'm going to leave in the description. So make sure to use that if you do want to do this. This doesn't require any strong internet or anything, so there's no downsides or effects on your phone. All you do is you open the app and it will look like this. This means it's mining. Every 24 hours you just press this button once and it's going to mine for 24 hours, and then you come back 24 hours later and mine again. The app can be closed, completely shut off, and it's still going to mine, and at the moment the rate of mining is 0.4 B an hour, and they have check marks on the app, so when they reached 100k, before you reached 100k users on the app altogether, the mine rate was 1.6 B an hour. Currently there's a few million users, so when it reaches 10 million it's going to go to 0.2. At the moment it's 0.4 an hour, plus like you get like a bonus of 0.10, so it's like I think I'm getting about 0.5 an hour, and it adds up, you know, over time, because you don't have to have the app like running, or you don't have to think about it after you've, of course, pressed the mining button. So basically the idea of this is, you know, by 2024 I believe there will be a real life price, like a dollar cost to it, or a Great British Pound, whatever currency you know you use for the coins potentially. Maybe there would be a store where you can convert them into goods. So far it's not all clear, but that's why it's also really good, because it's really early on in the app. This means that you could potentially gather a lot of B tokens without, you know, affecting you whatsoever in your life, and you can come back to it in a few years and potentially, you know, get something out of it. So I think it's a good idea to just, you know, see what the future holds with this app. So guys, if you want to get started, I'm going to leave a download link in the description, but if you do want to download it, you can just type B network in the app store. It's going to come up, logo looks like this. It's pretty basic, but you do need a referral code to get started. You just, you know, use an email and password to get in, put your code in. I'm going to supply you the code, and then you're going to get started mining, and it will just add up over time. But they also provide like little bits of news on other crypto, so it's kind of cool. There's little bits of updates on what's going on in the crypto markets on the app, of course. This is basically representing almost the app itself. But yeah, it's just a decentralized ecosystem, as you can see, and the future could be bright for this. So yeah, start earning some coins without spending any money, without, you know, using heavy equipment, and potentially, you know, this could be a really good investment. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.